Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Yahoo Fantasy how to leave a leak. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now what you need to do is head over and open up your web browser, and then on the search bar type in sports.yahoo.com, and then once the page loads, all you gotta do is sign into your account with your credentials. Now once logged in or signed in, what you need to do is tap on the three horizontal bar on the top left corner of the screen, and then once you are here, what you need to do is find the option that says fantasy right here, and then you will see an arrow right here. Tap on that and then simply select your sport. Now once you are done with that, here you'll find the profile option. Tap on that, and now on the overview here, what you need to do in order to delete the team is you'll find an option edit team right here. Tap on that and then click on delete team next to the team you wish to remove. Now these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.